Yeah, Nishanti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1
Am I
minute.
visible, sir?
Yeah, you are visible. Yeah. 1 minute. Nishanti, you are appearing for which interview? Federal Bank clerk.
Yes, sir.
Which date is your interview?
So coming Friday, sir.
Oh, good. Which place?
So interview is in Chennai, sir.
Okay, good. Now, can you please, this is the first time we are meeting and you are not come. When did you join our group?
So I joined in August. I already attended GD sessions before my GD class. But for interview, this is my first session. As I was in hostel, I just came to my house yesterday only. In hostel, I wasn't able to attend.
Why? Why can't you attend hostels?
So because it is a sharing room, there will be 10 people in a room.
Acha. Which place you were staying in hostel?
In Tuticorin, sir, I'm preparing for banking examinations.
Acha, on the Sridhar Institute, huh?
Suresh, sir.
Suresh Institute, correct.
Yes, sir.
Very good, no problem. So அதனால படிச்சியா படிக்கலையா அந்த பீரியட்ல?
I prepared, sir. I just want to test how much I am strong and I want to improve within these 3 days the areas I'm lacking.
Which date is your interview? 21st.
20th, sir.
20th itself. Very good. So please tell me about yourself, Nishanti.
I'm from Rajapalayam, Virudhunagar district. I have completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering from National Engineering College with an aggregate CGPA of 8.9. And in specifically, I have done my final projects in computer networks. Apart from education, I am very much interested in extracurricular activities. From my school days, I have attended so many elocution competitions and science exhibitions. And apart from that, my hobby is writing Tamil poetry books. So I published a book named Patta Pahalilo Nettai Kanava during my college days, which is a Tamil poetry book. And also I worked as a part-time RJ in FM, Internet FM. And I have written some subtitles for album songs. And also I've worked as a translator for an entrepreneurial app during the lockdown time. These are all the things I have done during my college days as an hobby. And my strengths are I am a loyal and trustworthy person. I'm a quick learner and disciplined and focused person that reflects in my marks itself. And also, I like to manage and schedule my work properly. So I don't have used to have any works bending for the next day. I used to schedule my work that helps in maintaining my work life balance or my studies with my life enjoyments. So this is the basic thing about me, sir.
Tell us about your family.
My father is a weaver and my mother is a teacher. She is a MA MPhil and she is a Tamil teacher working in a government aided school. My father is running his own business, small scale industry in the native itself.
In which bank is he having account, your father?
He's having account in Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank.
Has he borrowed from that bank for MSME and all?
No, sir, we didn't borrow any money. Our sector was started before 20 years. For the past 20-25 years, my father is doing the same business. So at that time, he just got money from the relations and started the business. And within 2-3 years, he returned the money.
Good. Very good. Now, what do you know about banking?
Banking is actually a financial institutional work, which is accepting deposits and lending money to the public in case of needs.
Good. Now, what are the sources of income for banks?
Usually, banks make main income through the advances. That is the interest they attain through the advances, which is through pledge, hypothecation, and mortgages. And apart from that, banks used to sign some assurance pacts with the insurance companies and mutual funds, and being a partners with some sports brands, etc., and uh, promoting them. bank will earn income. And apart from that, a bank is also being giving guidance to the people who are interested in mutual funds, etc. And for that, they are making a service charge by doing wealth management businesses. And through tourism related collaborations, like Federal Bank is doing with Make My Trip and Go Ibibo. So through that is a double side. We are also providing offers for the customers, and at the same time they are also earning. So all these through all these means they are earning income.
Apart from this, banks invest in government securities, they get interest on them. Banks also invest in shares of other companies, they get dividends from them also.
Okay, sir.
Very good. You told nicely, very happy. Now tell me, how many public sector banks are there in our country?
There are totally 12 nationalized banks right now. After the merger with SBI in 2017, currently it is 12 nationalized banks.
No, don't call it nationalized, call it public sector.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Nationalized means we have only 11. One is State Bank of India, that is separate.
India.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
sir.
there are 12 public sector banks. Now, how
Yes,
many private sector banks are there?
I know the major banks, but I
21 private sector banks are there. Which is
Okay,
the
sir.
largest bank in our country?
In private sector it is HDFC. In overall it is SBI.
No. Overall, it is HDFC is the largest bank. You know,
Okay, sir.
HDFC is such a big one. It is 6th largest in the world. I have posted
Okay,
a
sir.
video about that. Please see that.
Okay,
So
sir. Sure,
when a question is asked, which is the largest bank, you should say HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
And among public sector banks, of course, SBI is the largest bank.
Largest bank.
Okay. We say largest by means of say the capital market capitalization. Have you heard
Yes,
of the term market capitalization? What is it
market capitalization means the value of outstanding shares, total value of outstanding shares, which means the shares in the current value of shares in the stocks held with the shareholders.
In other words, current market price of shares into the number of shares issued.
Okay, sir.
That is known as, what is that? Market capitalization.
Capitalization.
What is the market capitalization of a federal bank now?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of that.
Nishanti, are you aware of this site, this paper? Are you seeing it now? A 2023 interview questions.
Yes, sir.
Here you have to go through this thoroughly. First read total business.
Sir, I actually seen that, but I can't able to remember at the moment. So I said I wasn't aware.
No, but you read it now. At least you will remember. Read.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Read loudly.
Total business of the bank is 4.26 lakh crores, and the total deposits is 2.33 lakh crores. Advances were made was 1.93 lakh crores, and net profit is 954 crores, and the return on asset was 1.36%, and the return on equity was 15.72%. Gross NPA and net NPA.
1 minute. Gross NPA. Tell me.
Gross NPA is 2.26% and net NPA is 0.64%. And the bank's net worth currently is 26,032 crores. And the capital adequacy ratio of the bank is 15.5% at the end of the quarter. And the bank share price is 148.35 as per today's report. And market capitalization is 360 billion. Equity capital is 470.32 crores.
இது மனப்பாடம் பண்ண வேண்டும்.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, You are from which district? Tuticorin.
Virudhunagar, sir.
So Virudhunagar. Virudhunagar nama Kamarajar. Correct.
Between Madurai and Ramanathapuram.
Yeah, Raja. Good, good, good. Can you name 5 presidents of India?
Yes, sir. Madam Draupadi Murmu and Mr. Ramnath Govind and Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Before that, Madam Pratibha Patel, and before that, Mr. Abdul Kalam, sir. And
Okay.
Rajendra
Okay.
Prasad, sir, Radhakrishnan, sir.
Very good. No problem. Good, good, good. So you studied basically what? Which degree?
Electronics and Communication Engineering, sir.
Electronics and Communication Engineering. Okay. ECE.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is meant by topography?
Sorry, sir. I can't remember.
It is something connected with networking.
Yes, sir. Network topography.
Yeah, bus topography and topography.
That is topology, sir.
Oh, sorry. நான் தப்பா கேட்டேனா டோபாலஜி சொல்லுமா டோபாலஜி
Topology is the way of establishing connection between two devices. And there are 5 kinds of topology. That is bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology.
Super. Sufficient. Good. நான் தான் தப்பா கேட்டுட்டேன். You told nicely. Very happy. You could remember it correctly. Now, what is green deposits?
So green deposit is actually a fixed deposit. The amount was deposited for the projects related to the environment, for the environmental developments.
No, you should say that these deposits money is collected or used for environment projects.
Okay, sir.
What is the meaning of capital adequacy ratio?
Capital adequate, actually it is usually said as a percentage or particular percentage of risk weighted asset is said as capital adequacy ratio. That is to maintain the, in case if a bank fails, to keep to avoid keeping the bank failing, a certain percentage of the amount will be stored by the bank, and that is called as capital adequacy ratio. That is the percentage of risk weighted assets.
கடைசியில சொன்னதெல்லாம் வேண்டியதுல தப்பா இருக்கு. The capital adequacy ratio means how much capital bank has got in relation to risk weighted assets.
Weighted asset. Okay, sir.
Then what are the assets and liabilities of a bank?
The liabilities of the banks are the deposits that bank is get in both demand and term based. And the asset of the bank is the loan it was providing, and for that loan it will receive interest and also the collateral, and both comes under the assets of the bank.
Collateral is not our assets.
Okay, sir.
Only the loans we have given is our asset. Collateral will become asset only when you sell it.
Oh, okay, sir.
அது வந்து செக்யூரிட்டி தான், செப்பரேட்டா இருக்கும். அப்புறம் வேற என்ன liabilities, வேற என்ன assets?
So these are the basic assets and liabilities.
You have liabilities, you have capital and reserves. That is also liability. Then under assets, you also have fixed assets. That is land, building owned by the bank. Apart from machinery like state computers and also vehicles such as cars, motorcycle, etc. That is also asset. Yeah, good. Not bad. What is the answer for question number 15?
Person doesn't have the documents to fulfill the norms. So for KYC norms, without the KYC documents, we can open an account for an tenure of 1 year, and it is called, I can't remember the correct name of that account, but within that 1 year, he has to manage to get that account. if even he doesn't, if he applied for the account, he doesn't receive the account in the tenure of 1 year, we can show that application and we can extend the tenure for another year. But within that, he has to get that account.
Basic savings bank deposit account. Small accounts.
It's a small account. That's what the name I was thinking of.
Good. Very good. Now, can rupees 2000 note be exchanged? Hello.
Sir, I think the date has been ended, so we can't exchange it anymore.
Very good. When was demonetization implemented? Which year?
In 2015.
16.
Sorry, in 2016.
Good. Very good. ஓரளவுக்கு நல்லா பேசுறமா, நல்லா கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா
Thank you,
சொல்றேன்.
sir.
Thanks to your Suresh Academy. நல்லா படிச்சிருக்கேன். I am happy.
Sir, actually நீங்க கொடுத்த மெட்டீரியலை வச்சு தான் சார் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
ஓஹோ, good,
Print
good.
போட்டு வச்சு.
Very good, very good, very good. நல்லா பண்றேன். இது சொல்லுமா, why should we hire you?
So the reason is I am very much interested in banking. From the third year of my college, I was preparing for banking examination. That's when I made the mind to get into the banking sector, because I went to inspection to one of the public sector banks from my college. And that was the day I decided I have to be in the banking. The reason is, in the first class of my engineering, my staff taught me engineering means identifying the problems and providing solutions. Whether the solution is feasible or not, that is the second category. And I think that definition will also suit for banking sector. And when I entered the bank for inspection that day, I could identify certain problems there, and immediately my engineering mind was able to think of certain solutions for that problem. To find it whether it is feasible, I want to be on the other side of the boundary. From this side, I can just think of the solutions. And
No,
also, why federal bank in the,
it is not inspection. It's a visit. No? Was it inspection? Are you an inspector of the bank?
sir, they gave us a form to put marks for the services. They gave certain categories and we want to put marks hiding ourselves,
That is not
hiding our identity.
It is not inspection. It is a questionnaire.
Okay, sir.
It is a questionnaire
sir.
you filled in. Opinion questionnaire you filled in. That's right.
Okay,
So,
sir. I will correct the term.
yeah, very good. Now, that is
And
okay.
apart from that,
No, but here, இன்னும் கூட நல்லா சொல்லலாம். Why should we hire you? நீ வந்து இந்த இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷனை பத்தி ரொம்ப விலாவாரியா பேசுற, அவ்வளவு டைம் கிடையாது.
okay, sir.
நீ என்ன சொல்லணும்? I am a quick learner. I am a hard working person. I enjoy
Okay, sir.
shouldering higher responsibilities. I am
Yes, sir.
say I plan my things. I will do things within the time, good in time management. I possess leadership style. I am also a
Okay,
very
sir.
good team player. I am very good in
Yes, sir.
problem solving. அப்படி சொல்லணும். And I am good in
Okay, sir.
communication. I am interested in talking to people and convincing their needs, convincing them to open accounts with us. அந்த மாதிரி உன்னுடைய சூட்டபிலிட்டி அதை பத்தி சொல்லணும். அந்த இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன்ல அவ்வளவு தூரம் சொல்ல வேண்டாம்.
Okay, sir. Because I thought all these things I mentioned as a strength in intro. So whether repeating is right or not, I don't know. So that's why I
இல்ல
got this topic.
பரவாயில்ல சொல்லலாம். சேம் திங்
Okay, sir.
வரும்.
Okay, sir.
3 into 2 கேட்டாலும் 6 தான். 4 plus 2 கேட்டாலும் 6 தான். முதல்ல 6
Yes, sir.
சொல்லிட்டேங்கிறதுக்காக இப்ப 6 சொல்லாம இருக்க முடியுமா? சொல்லிதான்
Okay, sir.
ஆகணும்.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why have you not succeeded in public sector bank recruitments?
So I'm trying hard for the examination, but the thing is, from the childhood, I have a bad habit that I can't mug up things as it is. That's from the school times, I can't muck up bluntly and write in exams. So I used to clear all the prelims exam. When it comes to current affairs, I have to mug up all those names and datas, and there I fails. But I'm trying to change it. But in between, I got a very good opportunity like Federal Bank, so I'm sticking on to this now.
No, actually, you should know the names of ministers in Tamil Nadu. union ministers, their cabinets.
Sir, all the ministers' name that I can remember, sir. But for times, the schemes in districts, I used to confuse between Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. So that's the problem I'm dealing with.
Sometimes they ask in interviews, name 3 northern states, their capital, their chief minister, and if they want to confuse you, they can ask governor name also. So that is
Yes,
very.
sir. I can answer those static questions,
Acha,
but
good.
not the current.
What is the
schemes.
capital of Jharkhand?
Ranchi, sir.
What is the capital of Chhattisgarh?
Raipur, sir.
Who is the chief minister of Chhattisgarh?
Bhupesh Pagal, Mr. Bhupesh Pagal.
Good. Nalladan solra. Onnum problem illa.
Yes,
what
sir.
is the current repo rate?
6.5%, sir.
What is the bank rate?
6.75%, sir.
What is the MSF rate?
It is also 6.5%, sir.
6.75.
Oh, sorry, 6.75%, sir. Bank rate and MSF will always be same.
Say then, what is the reverse repo rate?
3.35%, sir.
What is present CRR?
4.5%, sir.
What is present SLR?
18%, sir.
When inflation happens, Reserve Bank will reduce or increase the repo rate.
It will increase the repo rate to suck the money from the flow.
What is the SB rate in savings bank, interest rate in Federal Bank?
Starting from 3.05% and up to 5.7% available according to the cash.
No. Who said so? Only 2 rates. Up to 5 lakhs, 3.05. Beyond 5 lakhs, it is 3.10.
Okay, sir. I
Where
just gone through the website. There it given so many rates.
That is all fixed deposits.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
These are all for fixed deposits for various periods. And you should know they are asking fixed deposit interest rate also for 1 year, how much interest rate and all. Please go through that. Please go through that.
Okay, sir. 3%.
No. 3% is initial starting 15 days
Yes,
or so.
sir.
No. I am asking about 1 year means some 6.5%.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. For the terms. Okay, sir.
Yeah, please
I will
go
check
through
that.
Please go through that
Yes,
thoroughly.
sir.
Good. You have answered very well. What is your father?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
What is your father?
My father is a weaver.
Oh, you told me. ரொம்ப நல்லா பேசுறமா நல்லா சொல்றேன் 90%
Thank you,
சக்சஸ்
sir.
ஆகும் 90% சக்சஸ்
Yes, sir.
ஆயிடும் உனக்கு அடுத்த டேட் கொடுத்திருக்கேனா இன்டர்வியூக்கு
Tomorrow morning 6:45, sir.
ஒரே பாபா கொடுத்திருக்கேனா 6:45 மார்னிங் 6:45 எழுதலையேம்மா நோட் பண்ணல
சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நாளைக்கு தான் சார் சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க அப்புறம் டேட் ஃப்ரைடே இன்டர்வியூன்றதுனால இன்னைக்கும் அட்டென்ட் பண்ண சொன்னீங்க சார்
ஆமா 888258 தானே இல்ல நம்பர்
81221
ஆமாமா கொடுத்திருக்கேன்மா கரெக்ட் 6:30 p.m.
ஓகே சார்
6:30 a.m. tomorrow morning நல்லா பண்றேன் நல்லா தான் சொல்றேன் ஒண்ணுமே கஷ்டம் இல்ல சூப்பரா இருக்கு
Thank you sir சார்
அதிர்ஷ்டம் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு தெரியலையேமா அதிர்ஷ்டம் இருக்கணும் சொல்லு
சார் எந்த ஃபீல்ட்ல உள்ள நியூஸ் இன்னும் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கணும் சார்
இல்ல நான் வந்து உனக்கு கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஸ்னிப்பெட்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்கேன்ல
ஆமா சார்
அதுல கடைசியில இருக்கிற ஒரு 11ஆம் தேதியில இருந்து படிச்சிடு
ஓகே சார்
அது போதும் அப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு நாளைக்கு நாளன்னைக்கெல்லாம் இஸ்ரேலு என்ன வருதோ அந்த நியூஸ் பேப்பர்ல அதெல்லாம் படிச்சிடும் ஹெட்லைன்ஸ் மட்டும் படிச்சிடும் ஏன்னா அதுல இப்ப எல்லாமும் வருதுமா பேடிஎம் பேங்க் அப்புறம் இண்ட் மர்ச்சன்ட் பேங்க் வந்து லைசன்ஸ் கேன்சல்டு ஃபைன் ஃபார் பேடிஎம் நிறைய நியூஸ் வருது எல்லாத்தையும் படிச்சிடும் நம்ம கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஸ்னிப்பெட்குள்ளேயே இருக்குது
ஓகே சார்
நல்லா படி நிச்சயமா சக்சஸ் ஆகும்
ஓகே சார். தேங்க் யூ சார். சார் இப்போ
பெஸ்ட்
டிஎம்பி பேங்க்ல அக்கவுண்ட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன்ல சார். இப்ப ரீசென்ட்டா வேற டிஎம்பில அந்த 9,000 crore ராங் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் பண்ண இஷ்யூ நடந்ததுல சார்.
ஆமா அது
ஸோ
வந்து
அது
அது
ரிலேட்டடான
அது ஞாபகம் இருக்குமான்னு தெரியல, எனக்குமே மறந்து போச்சு அது.
ஓகே சார்.
உனக்கு அதுல என்ன கேள்விகள் வரலாம்? டிஎம்பி பேங்க்ல யாரு சேர்மன், டிஎம்பி பேங்க் ஹெட்
ஓகே
குவார்ட்டர்ஸ்
சார்.
எங்க இருக்குது, டிஎம்பி எவ்வளவு
ஓகே சார்.
பிரான்ச்சஸ் இருக்குது, இதெல்லாம் கேட்கலாம்.
ஓகே சார்.
அதே போல ஃபெடரல் பேங்க் மொத்தம் எவ்வளவு பிரான்ச்? 1408.
408 பிரான்ச்சஸ்.
எவ்வளவு கஸ்டமர்ஸ்? 167 lakhs.
1.66 crores.
ஆமா, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கரெக்டா சொல்லணும்.
ஓகே
அதுக்கப்புறம்
சார்.
தமிழ்நாடு மெர்கன்டைல் பேங்க்ல அந்த அவ்வளவு தூரம் கேட்க சான்ஸ் இல்லை. 9,000 crore அதை பத்தி
ஓகே சார்.
கேட்க சான்ஸ் இல்லை. கேட்டா அது என்ன தெரியுமோ அதை சொல்லு. whatever you know about it.
ஓகே.
ஒன்னும் இல்லை, இட் வாஸ் இமீடியட்லி லொகேட்டட். இல்லை, ஏதோ 21,000 என்னமோ எடுத்துட்டாரு போல இருக்கு அவரு. and he was asked
ஆமா
to
சார்.
அவ்வளவுதான். That's
எஸ் சார்.
okay. How did it happen? எனக்கு இன்னுமே தெரியாத ரீசன். It is due to technical reasons. ஹெச்டிஎஃப்சி
Okay,
பேங்க்ல
I
கூட
don't
ஒரு
know.
ஹெச்டிஎஃப்சி பேங்க்ல கூட ஒரு வாட்டி தீநகர் பிரான்ச்ல நிறைய பேர் கிரெடிட் ஆச்சு அந்த மாதிரி.
ஓகே சார்.
unknowingly it happens due to some errors. So அதை வந்து நீங்க
ஓகே சார்.
கம்ப்யூட்டர் உங்களை மாதிரி ஈஸி பீப்புள் தான் சொல்லணும் எதனால நடக்குது, எப்படி நடக்குது அப்படின்னு. ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. நாளைக்கு பார்ப்போமா? 6:40 6:30.
ஓகே சார்.
தேங்க்யூ, நல்லா பண்றேம்மா.
Tha-
கிடைக்கலன்னா
Thank you சார். தேங்க் யூ ஸோ மச் சார்.
ரீசனே இல்லை ஏன் கிடைக்கலன்னா. உனக்கு எவ்வளவு அக்கா அண்ணா எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க?
I'm the only daughter, sir. Actually, I'm in the need of job now.
No, but இந்த கொஸ்டின் வரும். You are the only daughter. Will your parents permit you to be posted anywhere in Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir. Because for the past 7 years, I'm staying in the hostel apart from my parents.
Oh, away from your parents. Yeah,
Away from my parents.
very good.
So that's
Super.
not a big deal, sir.
Good. கிடைக்குமா? 90% கிடைக்கும்.
Sure.
எனக்கு
Thank you, sir.
கிடைக்கலங்கிறதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே காரணமே இல்லை. பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you so much, sir.
You did really well. பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ்.
Thank you, sir.
ஆனா ஒன்லி
Sir,
திங் இஸ் சுரேஷ்ல படிச்சுக்கிட்டு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா ரீசனிங் எல்லாம் சூப்பரா உனக்கு இந்த கேள்வி கேட்பாங்க. நீ பப்ளிக் செக்டர் வேலை கிடைச்சா போயிடுவான்னு கேட்பாங்க. போக மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லு. ஏன்னா
Yes, sir. I also recently visited Federal Bank branch, sir,
அது
for
கேட்பாங்க
knowing things.
கேட்பாங்க ஃபெடரல் பேங்க் பிரான்ச் பத்தி கேட்பாங்க. அப்புறம் வந்து நான் ஃபெடரல் பேங்க் விட்டு போக மாட்டேன், ஏன்னா வந்து 41% ஆர் விமன் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இட்ஸ் அ கிரேட்டஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் டு ஒர்க். அப்புறம் there are good chances of promotion here. I will study JAIIB exam and CAIIB exam, pass and get promotion in Federal Bank only.
Yes, sir.
And Federal Bankலயே ஒரு பையனை பார்த்து கல்யாணம் பண்ணிடுவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு just joke சொல்றேன். That's what it is. Otherwise நிச்சயமா கிடைக்கணும். கிடைக்கலன்னா இந்த மாதிரி நார்மலா கிடைக்கும்னு நினைச்சா கிடைச்சிடும். ஒன்லி ஒரு 10% மிஸ் ஆகும். 10 பேரை செலக்ட் பண்ணா 1 பேர் 2 பேர் கொஞ்சம் மிஸ் ஆகும். ஏன்னா அது என்ன காரணத்துக்காக மிஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்ல தெரியல. நல்ல தைரியமான பொண்ணா போ, அவ்வளவுதான் சொல்ல முடியும். சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இரு, அவ்வளவுதான். நத்திங் எல்ஸ். வேற என்ன டவுட்?
சார், நாளைக்கு மார்னிங் 6:30க்கு அட்டென்ட் பண்ணணுமா, இல்லாட்டி நாளைக்கும் இந்த டைம்க்கு அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலாமா சார்?
சரிவா, நான் எப்படியானு உன்னை நுழைக்கிற வழி இல்லை. நான் 8:45 போட்டிருக்கேன். பட் நாளைக்கு இதே சமயம்பா, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். மார்னிங் கட் பண்ணிடு.
8:45 தான் சார் இன்னைக்கும் கொடுத்திருந்தீங்க, அதே டைம்க்கு
அதே டைம் தான் வருது. 8:45. அதுதான் வேக்கண்டா இருக்கு, அங்கதான் போட்டிருக்கேன். நீ ஒரு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிடு. மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிட்டு த்ரூ யுவர் செல்போன். Thank you. Best wishes.
Okay sir. Sure sir.
You have done extremely well.
Thank you sir.
கிடைக்கிறது கிடைக்காதது இறைவன் கையில் இருக்கிறது. தூத்துக்குடி பொண்ணா?
ராஜபாளையம் sir.
ராஜபாளையமா? ராஜபாளையத்துல ஒரு நிமிஷம் இதை ஆஃப் பண்றேன்.